You bought a GoPro. You go to the apps. These are the 3 apps that are available. There is no desktop quick. Discontinued. Why we use that, I don't know. What I do is I take my camera, I plug it in. This is an aftermarket USB 3.0 cable. I turn my camera on. It goes to USB connection. It opens up. I double click. I open up a new folder. And I bring all these in. This is Windows 11. You do the 3 dashes, select all, and then you drag this all into wherever you want. If you cannot get your camera to work, that's another story, another day, which you go here to Device Manager. You open up Device Manager, you look for portable devices, hit the side arrow, brings it down, you open up the Hero 10, you go to the driver and you delete uninstalled device, unplug, that'll disappear. When you replug this back in, it'll recognize the camera as new and ask you where over here you want to open up. I hope this was helpful to one and all.